Children, now we will do one more new topic, that is addition problems. Now you will learn that how you can solve the word problems based on addition. अब you all can see that मैम ने यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन लिखा हुआ है जिसे हमें सॉल्व करना है. So this question is from your content book only, given on page number 68, and this is your worksheet 3. See, this is your page number 68 and this is your worksheet 3, and the question which we are doing is question 1. Okay, now we'll come back to our question. So before we learn how to solve the question, first we will read the question carefully. Always remember, children, when we solve a word problem, always we have to read the question first carefully. Okay, so ma'am is reading, you all read along with ma'am. There are 49 yellow candies and 27 orange candies. Okay, how many candies are there in all? Now children, when you solve a word problem, first you have to find out whatever is given in the question, and then we do whatever you have to do, addition or anything else. Okay, so here first we will find out that how many yellow candies are there. So number of yellow candies, how many are there? Read the question. You've already read the question. Yes, 49. And how many orange candies are there? Yes, 27. Okay. Now, always remember, children, whenever these terms are there in the question, that is in all, altogether, total. So whenever these words are there in the question, it means you have to do addition. Okay. So now we will add. So first you have to see the digits given at ones place. So here 9 and 7 are the digits under ones place. So the bigger number is 9. So you have to count 7 times after 9. So count along with me. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Okay. Now you have got a 2-digit number after adding both the digits given at ones place. So in this case, you know very well, yes, now you have to do regrouping or you have to carry forward. Okay, now 16. Now tell me, in this number 16, 6 कौन सी प्लेस पे है? Yes, ones प्लेस पे. और 1 कौन सी प्लेस पे है? Tens की प्लेस पे. Okay, so now this digit, that is 6, which is at ones place, will be written under ones place only. See, like this. And 1, which is given at tens place, it will be carry forward. It will be taken as carry over. Okay. Now you have to add the digits given at tens place. So the digits are 4, 2 and 1. So bigger number is, yes, 4. So count 2 times after 4. Yes, 5 and 6. Now 1, carry over is also there. See, so 6 and count one more time, what comes after 6? Yes, 7. So now your answer is 76. So this way, children, you have to solve a word problem. First you have to read the question carefully. Second, you have to find out the values. And third, you have to perform the operation which is given in the question, whatever operation is given, like addition, subtraction, whatever. We are doing addition problem, so you will do addition here. Okay, now I hope you have understood that how you can solve a word problem. Thank you. Okay children, now we will see our second question. Again, this question ma'am has taken from worksheet 3 given on page number 68 of your content book. See, this is your content book, and now worksheet 3 page number 68 again, and now we are doing question number 3. Okay, now we'll come back to a question. अगेन बिफोर सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चन, पहले हम क्वेश्चन रीड करेंगे. आप सब रीड करिए मैम के साथ. देयर आर 25 सनफ्लावर्स, 12 jasmines and 21 roses in a garden. How many flowers are there altogether? Okay, so again, first step of solving a problem is, first you have to find out the given values. So now you have already read the question, so now tell me how many sunflowers are there. Yes, 25. Now tell me how many jasmines are there. Yes, 12. And how many roses are there in the garden? Read the question and tell me. Yes, 21. Now these are the values. Again, in first question I've told you that there are some terms in the question, and if they are present in the given problem, then you have to do addition. Here the word is altogether, so it means you have to do addition. So again, first step, we will add all the digits given under ones place. So here 3 digits are there, 5, 2 and 1. So you know the method very well. Now keep bigger number in your mind. Here it is. Yes, 5. So keep 5 in your mind and first count 2 times. Okay, so 6 and 7. Now 7 you have got. Now 1 digit is left, that is 1. So now we will add this 1 and 7. So count one more time after 7. So what comes after 7? Yes, 8. Now what you have got? 8. Now we'll see the digits at tens place. The digits are 2, 1 and 2. So keep 2 in your mind, and first you can count 2 times because this is a second bigger number. This is bigger than 1. The last digit which is written here. So you can count 2 times after 2. So count after 2, 3, 4. Now 1 is left, the last digit. So after 4, count one more time. What comes after 4? Yes, 5. So what is the answer which you have got? What is the answer? Yes, 58. So this is the sum which you have got. So this way you are supposed to solve a word problem of addition where 3 numbers are given and all are 2-digit numbers. So I hope it is more clear to you. आपको और अच्छे से समझ में आ गया कि आपको एडिशन की वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स कैसे सॉल्व करनी है. Thank you. Okay children, now we will do our last question, that is third one. Again, ma'am has taken this question now from worksheet 4, page number 69 from your book only. See, this is worksheet 4, okay, given on page number 69, and we are doing this second question. Okay, now we'll come back to our question. So this is our question number 3. Again, children, first we will read the question carefully. Always remember, the first step of solving any word problem is that you have to read the question carefully. So read along with ma'am. In a pond there are 300 goldfish and 137 angelfish. How many fish are there all together? Okay, so again, all together is there. You remember in previous question I've told you, whenever in all together and total is there, you have to do, yes, you have to do addition in the question. Okay, now the second step, now we will find out the values which are already given in the question. Okay, now tell me, how many goldfish are there in the pond? Yes, 300. And how many angelfish are there in the pond? Yes, 137. Now tell me children, ऐड करने से पहले ये बताइए कि have you noticed something? Yes, now instead of 2-digit numbers, now we are supposed to add 3-digit number. Now here both the numbers are 3-digit. 100's place is also there. So now we'll start with our addition. Again, you know, always we start from, yes, ones place. So the digit at ones place here are 0 and 7. So you know very well that any number added with 0, what you get? Yes, you get the same number again. Here it is 7. Now see the digits under tens place. Again, one is 0 and one is 3. Again you have to add. So any number added with 0, you get the same number. Here it is 3. Now see the digits at hundreds place. 3 and 1. Keep 3 in your mind. Count one time. And what you get after 3? Yes, 4. Now your answer is, there are 437 fish in the pond. Okay, now I hope children that now आप एडिशन की वर्ड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना सीख गए होंगे. एंड आई वॉन्ट यू ऑल टू प्रैक्टिस सम मोर क्वेश्चंस एंड यू हैव टू complete the other questions which are there in the worksheet. It will be given as your homework, so you have to complete all your work